What's up, friends? Guess what we're doing today? 2 eggs, a bowl, and a microwave. I had plenty of people in my last video where we talked about scrambling eggs say, hey, Mr. Mac, I live in a college dorm. I don't have an oven. I've only got a microwave. How am I supposed to scramble eggs? And I thought, let's see if we can scramble these jokers in the microwave. And more importantly, see what it tastes like. In case you didn't know, eggs, yolk in the middle, white on the outside. It's mostly just protein, water, a little fat. And so what we're trying to do is get that protein broken down a little bit and unraveled. You AP Bio kids know what I'm talking about. Get it unraveled and mix it up a little bit, get the water out of there, and that's how we get that scrambled egg texture that we have from this yolky, weird, eggish shape that we had before, okay? And I'm also gonna try something new on breaking eggs. We're gonna drop it from the top. Let it drop, let's see how this works.
Right, let's see if it breaks perfectly when we drop it.
Dun-dun-dun. Where's there stuff everywhere? Broke pretty well. All in there. That was pretty easy. Let's try another one if it'll break with its friend or splatter everywhere. What do y'all think? What happens? That one cracked a little strange up there. Trying to do this one hand. There you go. No shells in there. No mess on the outside. It's pretty good. Let's stick this joker in the microwave. Come along, friends, as we make some microwave magic. We've got our 2 eggs we just cracked and put in here. There they are. You can see them. Oh, almost dropped them. And then we're going to put them in the microwave. Now I've got 2, so this is going to vary depending upon egg size and how big the eggs are. Now, we have farm fresh eggs that came from our chickens, and sometimes they're little and sometimes they're big. And these are definitely 2 different sizes right here. We're gonna mix them together and we're gonna scramble these jokers. So we're gonna do it about 30 seconds, scramble it, mix it, put it back in, 30 seconds. And we're gonna do that a few times until it turns out. Now, I don't know about that one, doesn't look fertilized. To talk to our rooster. Let's see here. Can't tell about that one either. I'm gonna have to trade out roosters soon. Now, only cook under parental supervision. My 8-year-old can use a microwave. I'm sure most of you can too. See what happens. Now, I want to say this in starting. I forgot to scramble the eggs, and I put them in there for 30 seconds. So they're a little almost poached at this time. I'm gonna go ahead and scramble them though. Who knows? Maybe we found our way upon some other way of scrambling. And if this doesn't work, I'll edit all this out and I'll try it again later. Yeah. Looks like the egg whites did really good like that though. Come back to this. Maybe we'll learn how to poach eggs in the microwave. Just a thought. Another 30 seconds. Let's see what this 30 seconds did. Remember, this is the second 30 seconds. Ooh, that's interesting. It's almost made kind of a souffle-ish looking. I'm gonna scramble though. I'm not really ready for that. Definitely should have scrambled these first. But I'm gonna mix them up a little bit. I'm gonna stir them, let them cool down. We're gonna add some salt. We're gonna add some pepper. Now, for future reference, scramble first. And maybe not go a full minute. I'm thinking maybe 15 seconds after you do that first one. And then scramble it up. But these look pretty light and fluffy here. I'll be honest with you. They're not too bad looking. Now, the key thing is gonna be, how do they taste? So, let's add some salt and a little bit of pepper, and let's try these jokers. Okay, we're ready for a little bit of pepper. Let's be honest, let's make a lot of pepper. More pepper the merrier. And a little bit of salt. Maybe a tad more. We'll mix it all around. Now these are a little bit drier than I usually make them, so I don't know if that's from the microwave or I had them in there too long. Time will only tell. Hey guys, taste test time. Let's see what we got here. See that? Microwave. I'm a little suspicious here. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Now, one thing I know that I didn't do is they tell you to, some people tell you, to spray the inside of your bowl so it doesn't stick. But they didn't really stick that bad. Some people like to add milk. I could see that making it a little bit creamier and maybe not as dry. I think the dryness is just due to me leaving it in until a little too long. You need to check it more often. But I'm gonna be honest. If I was in your position and I only had a microwave, I think I could get by eating these on the regular. For sure. Alright guys. Hope you had fun. I know I did. And I'm gonna finish up my eggs. Peace. Alright. We're gonna add something special to the meal. See if we can toast our toast up here. What do you think, Shishi? How much time are you giving it? Say hey, Shishi. Say hey, Shishi. Daddy, I want toast. Let's try the other side. Oh, what did it look like? Woo, it's toasted. Ow. The fire's hot, Shishi. Toasted like a champ, though. Let's go and put the other one on there. Well, if you've got a fire at home, now you know how to toast without plugging in your toaster. Or maybe this is the new toaster. Oh, gosh almighty, that's hot. It's toasting.